where do you keep it?
Just set it by the sink.
In the freezer? Come look in the freezer.
Go see if Santa brought you some?
Oh, I need to get some energy here and make this dinner.
Okay, come here.
Oh, God, I can't.
Once again.
Christmas at Popeye.
Do you see anything?
It's cream.
Do you see anything wrapped?
He asked for ice cream.
You see?
Is there a present in there?
No? What about this one? Do you
Open
think?
it up, bud.
Open it up.
What's that? Hmm? What? Hmm?
Do you need help? You got it?
What is it?
Ice cream.
Oh, did Santa bring you ice cream? Oh, that's so cool.
Oh.
Oh.
What do you say to Santa?
Thank you, Santa. What's on this one?
Okay.